it's Bekah, and welcome to our little autumn kitchen here on the northern plains of Iowa. It's always nice to see you, and I hope all is well. Today I'm unpacking some bulk items that we got at our local Amish community that my family and I love to go to this time of year. So I've got lots of spices, teas, oatmeal, and I even got some mums and pumpkins and going to be decorating our front porch here in a minute. So as always, I'm so glad you've stopped by for a visit here at my home, the Carriage House. So one of my favorite things to do with all these whole spices is to make a simmer pot, which I know I've shared with you many times these past years, but I'm not going to do today. It's a little warm out, but I like to put whole cloves, star anise, cinnamon sticks, and maybe even a couple of sliced oranges into a pot of water that simmers on the stove, and this makes the home smell so comforting and inviting, and the scent always reminds me of those chilly autumn mornings and cozy blankets and pillows inviting us to dive into after a long day of work. So gonna go ahead, finish taking everything out of the bags, and I will put the spices away in my spice jars probably tomorrow. It's been a long day, but a good day.
Slow down. Fireplace, do you know how? Piles of paper, my desk is out. Who will care for the world now? Rest with me, close to curtains. Brew some herbal tea. Reach out for me. Take my hand and lead even when I disagree. Oh, how I love when it rains outside, and it's okay to slow the ride. Books I forget about, but who care for the world now? Rest with me, close the curtains, brew some herbal tea. Reach out for me.
So now that the carrot cake tea has been made, I decided to come out on our back porch and give it a little autumn makeover. It's a little warm, but it's okay. The cooler days are peeking around the corner. So I just got this package delivered while I was out on our back porch, and it's a dinnerware set from One More, a company that I partner with. So let's look and see. I'm loving these different colors. I love the oranges and yellows, which remind me of autumn time. I love how you can mix and match. So I really admire these. They'd be perfect for fall. And I do have your own special discount code that you can use, which is exciting. I'll leave the I'll leave your own link and the code in the description. So let's go ahead and finish unboxing these beautiful dishes, and then I'm going to make a delicious autumn harvest bowl made with arugula, quinoa, chickpeas, sweet potatoes, and drizzled with the most amazing maple tahini dressing. And I will leave the recipe down below.
One step, one more, let it go. Take that moment, let it flow. Unseal the lines, make it show. This time, go find what you hide. Open wide. Come by, come by. Love, come by, come by. To me, to me. Call out, fall into my arms. Whisper to me all the yearns, all the desires that you hold. Call out, fall out of the fire. Open.
Thank you so much for stopping by today. I'll leave more heartwarming videos for you here. You can always subscribe and become part of our Slow Living Homemakers Circle, where we cherish the simple pleasures and this journey we call life. Wishing you well and stay safe, my sweet friend. Bye.